And this video will show you how to use UCard at CVS. So to use UnitedHealthcare UCard at CVS for OTC products or healthy foods, follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, you need to confirm the store eligibility. Visit a standalone CVS pharmacy location. Note that CVS registers located inside other department stores, such as Target, generally cannot process UCard benefits. So, after that, you need to check your balance and find the covered items. Open the UnitedHealthcare app on your phone, then navigate the UCard hub to check your current available OTC or health food balance. You can use the product scanner, which is built in inside your app, and scan the barcodes to detect if the products are coverable. The app will tell you immediately if an item is covered under your specific plan. Eligible items usually include pain relievers, cold medicine, first aid, vitamins, and select personal care products. Then you need to go to the checkout register, bring your items to a traditional cashier register. Avoid self-checkout lanes as they often have trouble splitting payments or processing health benefit barcodes. Scan your CVS Extra Care card or enter your phone number if you want to apply store discounts. Present your UCard for payment. Tell the cashier you're paying with health benefit card. If using physical cards, swipe it at the card reader terminal just like a regular debit card. If using the digital app, pull up your digital UCard barcode on the UnitedHealthcare app and have the cashier scan it. Cashier tip: if the register does not automatically accept the card, ask cashier to select the CVS Money Card/gift card option on their screen and then scan your barcode or manually type in the card number. Pay the remaining balance. System will automatically deduct the cost of all eligible items from your UCard balance if you have non-eligible items in your cart, or if your UCard balance runs out, use a secondary payment method, for example cash or debit or credit card, to pay remaining total. And finally, you can collect your receipt, which will show the benefit amount applied to your purchase. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.